Hey guys, today I got in the mail my GameBridge, which I'm gonna be recording gameplay. A lot of people say this is good. Others say not so much. I already got it open because it was kind of tough to open, but oh well. And right here we got, looks like a receipt or something. Got a GameBridge quick start guide. And of course we got the installation disc. And in this we got the looks like, I don't think I should take it out, but you can see it is like the GameBridge adapter itself. Looks in pretty good condition. Looks like cables. Oh no, this is a USB cord, I think. Yeah, it is. And now here are the cords. Red, blue, white, and a little end. So this is what we got. We got the GameBridge, the wires, the box. Well, I got it in the mail, so that's what it came in, the box. And installation disc. And I will do a review for it as soon as I get it. Okay, peace.